Hey everybody, so this is what I'm using in my egg rolls. I'm using cabbage, not a lot of cabbage. I didn't even cut half of the cabbage. I don't think I cut fourth of the cabbage, but it was enough cabbage. I'm using red, yellow, and orange sweet peppers, little bell peppers. And we had some corn in the refrigerator, so I said, well, let me throw that corn in there. It wasn't going to hurt, and I have a little carrots in there as well. So this is what I'm using. I have a little water in my pan. I'm going to just kind of saute it, steam it. Then this is going to go in my egg rolls, and that's going to go in the air fryer. Very simple, very easy. So let's check this out.